Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity, and inspiration. The first DIY is very simple. We will use a large disco ball like this. This one came from Family Dollar, and two smaller ones for the ears. This came from Dollar Tree. First, I will remove the hanging loop and also about 3 mirrors. To reinforce the ears, I will use bamboo skewers. Now, I will glue the ears using hot glue as you can see here. Next, I will make a hole in the large disco ball using one of the ears. I want to make sure the ears go in easily. I want to point out that I removed some mirrors from the large disco ball for a stronger fusion. Also, I didn't have to do any markings on the large disco ball to place the ears. I counted the mirrors from the hanging loop down. I will set this aside and work on the bow, which will be made of velvet ribbon. It is very simple. I will cut it to size, use some wire to hold it, and glue it together. Next, I will glue the other ear and the bow, and we should be done. Final reveal. What do you think of this project? Let me know in the comments below. Here is Minnie's disco ball displayed above the Disney Christmas tree. For the second project, we will need a large snowflake and a smaller one. We will use only part of it. This came from Dollar Tree. Also, there are two ornament sizes, one for the head and two for the ears. They are very small and came from Hobby Lobby. First, I will measure the large ornaments and make markings for the ears, as you can see here. Next, because a snowflake doesn't fit into the ornament, I will cut the openings using this hot knife. I will do this for 7 ornaments. I am carefully cutting the tips and working in a ventilated area. The snowflake still didn't fit into the ornament, and I forgot to record it, but I simply shaved the snowflake on the sides using the hot knife. I will do this for all 8 arms. Now it is time to make some Mickey's heads. For this, I will use this hat tool to make a hole, then quickly push in a smaller ornament for the ears. I will create 7 heads like this. Next, I will break this snowflake apart because I just want to use a small section. As you can see here, I made 7 Mickey's heads. For the 8th one, I didn't remove the hanging loop or cut the tip, as the snowflake will be hanging from it. Using the hot tool, I will make a hole at the bottom of this ornament. To have a nice and clean finish, I will use this red Sharpie to cover the white edges. The large snowflake has a hole. It is normal, but I will use hot glue to cover it. It is time to assemble the snowflake and attach everything using hot glue. Here's the final reveal. What do you think of this snowflake? It is such a nice piece. Are you going to make one for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I decided to remove the small flower in the center and add a red rhinestone to keep it simple. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.